Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I will be showing you how to add a music bot to a Discord server. So first what you will do is of course go ahead and go to your Discord. Now guys, just simply go ahead and go to one of your server. And now once you are on the server, you just simply right click on your server name over here on the top left. And you can just simply go for server settings. And now it will redirect you over here. So you can just simply go ahead and go for the apps category and you will have here app directory. Click on it. And now from here, you can just simply go ahead and utilize the search bar over here on the top right corner and just simply search for Fred Boat. And now from here, as you can see, you can just simply click on this one. And there are many bots available, but I recommend going for Fred Boat because it is free. And now you can just simply select add app. And from here, you can just simply select which server that you are adding it to. And as you can see, this will allow the developer of Fredboat to add a bot to a server, create commands, and pretty much over here, you can just simply select continue and you should be able to give permission to Fredboat over here. So pretty much this will be depending on you based on your preferences of your privacy. Once you are done, select authorize over here and select I am a human. And from here, as you can see, we could just simply go to the server. Now from here, as you can see, Fredbot have joined. So we just simply click on them and they will have a command over here, which is play, stop, or search. So for example, I'm going to go for play. And from here, you could provide the query or the link after you provided /play and click on retry. And as you can see, we must join the voice channel first. Let's try it out. Then from here, as you can see, once we have done that, we should be able to have multiple options to be played at. And pretty much guys, that's it. That's how to add a bot music into your Discord.